Alright, for my last video, I would like to give you a tutorial of CommonLit.org. This website is also Google compatible, so all I've done so far is log in with my Google account, and it actually lets me import all of my students from Google Classroom. So if I hover and show you my assignments, you can see that my first through fifth hour are all imported into this, and we didn't have to do anything besides me press the import button. So to show you around the website real quick, you can see it tells you that you can choose a lesson for the students, you can share it with them, and you can also track their progress. And this is what it looks like when you track their progress. Alright, let me show you through the Browse the Library. Something that I really like about this website is it gives you detailed information about each of the texts. Just for an example, this of feathers, fat, and freezing. It shows you that it's an informational text, that it's at 1,150 lexile, and that it's at about a 6th grade reading level. And then when you hover over it, it gives you a small summary. So this, and then it also categorizes it by passages for test prep, powerful women, science and technology articles, popular texts, themes. Feature content, it apparently clicked for me. Let me go to all texts. Alright. This is what I wanted to show you. This is the head of the library, and it shows you that there are 1,270 different text options. Here you can sort by lexile range, sort by most popular, recently added, or even lexile. You can search the library. And now they have just recently added 3rd and 4th grade as an option. So I'm going to choose 7th through 8th grade just because I teach 8th grade, and that brings it down to 330 texts. This isn't necessarily how I do this, but I was just showing you. Most of the time, I just use the search bar up here at the top and search for something that I'm specifically looking for, but it is a nice way to be able to browse. You can break it down by themes, and there are all of the theme options. And if you click one of those, we'll say morality. It will then pop up this here, 21 texts at a 7th and 8th grade level that have the theme of morality. And you can go through and search whatever it may be. So you can search by theme. You can also search by genre. There's their list of genres. You can, related books as well. They're more like the popular text that the United States is known for teaching. But I usually go down here and look at the different devices and choose one. Recently we just got done teaching irony. And let me get rid of the morality. Alright. Those are the different available texts. I'm going to choose the monkey's paw to go over. Alright. This is what it looks like. So it gives you the actual text of it. It gives you a little information about the author. And then it has guided reading mode. I know that I discussed this in a previous assignment, but you can enable it, and what it will do is it will stop after every single one of these numbers and give you an example of what the word means. And then here is question 1. It'll stop here and will not let the students read past where it says question 1 until they answer this question correctly. So there's all the text. And then there are assessment questions. And each of these assessment questions have the state standard listed beside it. There are usually about 4 questions. And then there's a discussion question that they are able to answer at the end of the assignment. And all you do to this to be able to assign it to them is take the assigned text. Then you will choose the class that you would like it to be assigned to. So something else I like about this is that it has paired texts that are also uploaded on CommonLit for you to be able to use the assignments together. They also have related media in case there's a movie or other type of maybe informational text. Like for example, this one has a video interview with the author. And then there is the full movie version that's 30 minutes long. And then it gives you a little information about how to teach it to them. It has the answer key for whatever their questions were, and also it has a parent guide that is very easy for you just to print out and send home with your students to tell the parents a little about what your students are doing with this story. So I use CommonLit very often Oftentimes, instead of actually assigning the text through technology, I just print out the lesson and have it sent home for homework. Because we are a one-on-one district, yes, all of our students have iPads, but none of our students are allowed to take them home. So if we do this through an assignment, and I know they're not going to have enough time, I just click the download PDF button. And when I do that, it has it to where you can print out the entire assignment and then also the questions and the writing prompt. This is a really good idea for those students who aren't able to take their iPads home. Like I've said previously, our middle schoolers and elementary age students are not allowed to take their iPads home, only the high school. So I most of the time use this version if I want it to be assigned as homework and I know they're not going to have enough time to work on it in class. So I do urge all of you, especially from 3rd through 12th grade, to go on ahead and just log in, create an account on CommonLit. It's completely free. Nothing about this website costs anything, and they've said before that it's never going to cost anything.